Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this procedure safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you begin the ice maker installation, refer to the installation manual for a list of recommended tools and parts you may need. Confirm that the appliance will be located in a well-ventilated area with temperatures above 55 degrees Fahrenheit and below 110 degrees Fahrenheit. The front of the appliance, including the base grill, should be unobstructed. If installing the ice maker in a cabinet, the recessed space should be at least 34 inches high and 18 inches wide. The electrical supply for the appliance must be 115 volts at 60 Hz. A dedicated circuit is recommended. A cold water supply with water pressure between 30 and 120 pounds per square inch is required. You can use copper tubing or a dedicated Whirlpool supply line to connect the cold water supply to the ice maker's inlet valve. Insert the tubing or supply line into the water supply valve outlet. Use a 1/2-inch wrench and an adjustable wrench to thread and tighten the compression nut. Avoid over-tightening. Turn the water supply on to flush the tubing or supply line, but be aware that the line should be fully drained before you attach it to the ice maker's water inlet valve. Have an assistant help you to move the ice maker close to its final location. Unthread the nut to remove the black plastic tube from the end of the inlet line on the rear of the appliance. Now insert the tubing or supply line into the inlet line, then thread the nut onto the line. Tighten by hand, then tighten with a wrench 2 more turns. Avoid over-tightening. Secure the tubing or supply line under the retaining clamp to reduce strain on the coupling. Turn the cold water supply on and check for leaks, tightening any connections as necessary. To connect a drain tube to the pump, you will need to remove the rear access panel. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the 5 screws, securing the access panel. Remove the panel and secure the tube to the drain pump outlet with a screw clamp. Reposition the rear access panel and replace the screws to secure. Follow local codes and ordinances when connecting the outlet end of the drain tube to a drain. Avoid connecting the tube to a closed pipe system to keep drain water from backing up into the ice maker. The drain tube must terminate at an open site drain with a maximum rise of 10 feet and a maximum run of 100 feet. With the ice maker as close to its final location as possible, determine if the appliance is level from side to side and front to back. If the ice maker is not level, support the appliance with a wood block and rotate the leveling leg or legs clockwise to lower the ice maker or counterclockwise to raise it. Confirm that the appliance is level. and all 4 legs are in contact with the floor. Plug the power cord into the electrical outlet. Now move the appliance to its final location, and the ice maker should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.